Tomorrow I'm going to be leaving on an epic trip, heading north for probably destination of either Mission Beach or Port Douglas.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
G'day everyone, how are you? Welcome to the channel, thanks for watching. Tomorrow I'm going to be leaving on an epic trip, heading north for probably destination of either Mission Beach or Port Douglas. Mission Beach just south of Cairns and Port Douglas is just north of Cairns. A round trip maybe is going to be in excess of about 3,000 k's. Planning on being back down the coast early July. Now just doing a few preps, filling up with fuel, checking the oil and such like, and welcome to the trip. So day one is going to head north, probably to a little spot called 1770, which is kind of sort of Bundaberg sort of area. It's a beautiful little spot named after James Cook, first landing in Australia in 1770. So a little town of 1770 is going to be a cracking spot. And then roughly planning on about 6-hour drives a day. Working in the morning and leaving 10, 11 o'clock, something like that. So tomorrow, first hop up to 1770.
Who's the one who can rise above? Take a chance, do it all for love and no regrets. Up ahead there's an open door and I gotta find what I'm looking for, and I'm on my way. Well, time moves on and the days go by, but the sun don't set on the stars tonight, and I spread my wings. In the clouds with my feet on the ground, my aim held high and I'm moving on. My time is now to make all my dreams come true, to let all the light shine through, so I can be everything I know that I could be, to find all the strength inside. Baby, just watch me fly. Now I have to find the best in me. Well, isn't it time to open my mind and just believe? Just believe. I feel my heart beating like a drum, and I'll never rest till the victory's won.
So left Saturday morning really early for the trip north, made it up to 1770 probably early afternoon. Took about 6 hours. and found this really beautiful spot right on the beach in 1770, and then made the decision that stay there for the weekend. So got up Saturday, would stay the whole day Sunday, and then drive north Monday. And whilst we were there, we decided to watch this.
It's alright. I light 'em up and I'll take 'em down, and I feel the rush at the speed of sound. I'll find a way to make all my dreams come true, to let all the light shine through, so I can be everything I know that I could be, to find all the strength inside. Baby, just watch me fly. Now I have all I need to find the best in me. Well, isn't it time I open my mind and just believe? And it could all come down to this very moment. Yeah. When I leave the ground, you can watch me spread my wings and fly away, to make all my dreams come true, to let all the light shine through, so I can be everything I know that I could be, to find all the strength inside. Baby, just watch me fly. Now I have all I need to find the best in me. Oh, isn't it time I open my mind and just believe? Just believe. Well, isn't it time I open my mind and just believe? Just believe.
And that is 1770. Now I got talking to a guy at the headland today. He suggested a few places to stop north, and one of those is Clairview. And so Clairview is the place I'm heading for tonight. About 6 hours from 1770, and it's the first spot on the Bruce Highway that it touches the ocean since the Gold Coast. So apparently it's a really beautiful spot, and that's where I will be stopping tonight. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hello world, wake me up to another good